Hello everyone and welcome to the final part of making Flappy Bird where we're just going to optimize a few things. So first off, if I were to run the game, I can jump through these little bits here. So what's going on there? Why is it doing that? Well really we just have to extend this if statement up here. So add a or and we'll say if the wall of x with the I in it is less than or equal to 75 and wall x of I plus wall width is less than or equal to 75, then game over is equal to true. So now if I were to run this, hopefully I can't do that. Yeah, I can't do that. I'll just give it one more shot just to make sure because it sort of had a delay effect on there. What's going on here? Ah, I see. Greater than or equal to 75, my bad. So now if I try and run it again, yep, perfect. So that's over and done with. And when the game starts, you immediately have to jump. And I feel like the player shouldn't have to get used to that. So we'll say if code is equal to e.vks, then we'll say new timer. Actually, we won't say new timer. We'll say call a timer up in here. So we go new timer time is equal to new timer 40 this, like that, and then we'll say time dot start. And when we die, we would like to restart. So we'll say if code is equal to e.vk r for restart, and we say time dot stop here, and we'll say we pretty much just have to. So game over is equal to false. Game over is equal to false. We'll probably have to reinitialize that. So pretty much we probably have to reinitialize all of this. So we get this. And we just put it all in here. We'll get rid of the ints. I was just thinking if there was a better way of doing this. But anyway, get rid of this because impulse is always equal to 1. I should have made that a constant. Floppy v is equal to 0, not a statement. Like so. Yeah, that looks right. Variable wall x is never used. Not allowed in here. Huh. And that should be an easy fix, actually. So wall x of 0 will equal width wall x of 1 will equal width plus width divided by 2. Now I can get rid of that. Can get rid of that. And gap 0 are essentially the same. So I'm just going to copy this line here, like so. And now if we run it, yep, and then we press S, and we can start doing this. And then if we die, black screen, then we press R, and then there's nothing there. So when we press R, we're going to have to call another thing, and that will be a repaint. So now if we go ahead and just die, so press start, and then we press S, as you can see, we're completely okay. So go ahead and die. So now we've got to add more code to when we die. So we're going to say if our Flappy height plus Flappy V is less than or equal to 0, because remember, actually maybe if I just change this to an OR statement, that might work. It would be better if I just switch this to an OR statement. And so switch that to OR and switch this to OR. See how this works. If not, I'll just do it like the other way. So press S, we're completely fine, then we go up and we don't die. Because we're not in wall X, okay, yep, never mind then. So Flappy height plus Flappy V is less than or equal to 0, or Flappy height plus Flappy V is greater than or equal plus 25 is greater than or equal to height, then game over equals true. And we're going to have a scoring system, so we're going to say int, going to do it up here actually, int score equals 0, and we're going to say if our how would we do this? We say if 175, yeah, if 75 is greater than wall x plus wall width, because remember 75 is where Flappy Bird is greater than that, then we'll say score is plus plus. And then down here we'll just say score is equal to 0. and we would like to display this somehow. I think we'll just display it like this. So we'll just have maybe draw flap. Nah. So we say g dot set color, and I'm gonna make it yellow, and I'm gonna say g dot um, drawstring. That's it. Drawstring. I'm gonna say score like this, and we're just gonna add score like so. And we want it somewhere in the middle, so we're going to say width divided by 2, and we're going to say probably height, not 0, actually no, 0, we'll say 10. And we do the same thing up here, if you die. Now this is going to be pretty small, but you can change this with a g.set font. I'm just not using it because then I have to search for what fonts I have to use. But anyway, I believe that's it. So now when we run it, oh, what's here? Ah, yep. Now if you run it, it should be okay. So score is equal to 0. And it's doing this weird thing. Ah, okay. I mean, I guess that can be a feature. It's not optimal. 75 is greater than that, but 74 and we'll just say and 74 is less than this. Condition is always false when reached. So 75 is greater than wall x plus. I don't know. I'm just not gonna really care. I'm just gonna add this as a feature. To me, this is good enough. So we press start, and we go through like so. And then we die, and our score is 106. So thank you guys for watching this how-to tutorial on how to make Flappy Bird. I know it's not the cleanest code, but I just do this because I think it's makes it easier, and it makes it for quicker videos. I'll like set this to its own method, game over method, and have just this in logic, and have this in its own method as well. But anyway, aside from that, Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.